Hey there, my name is Derrick Waltz. I am a client of Replace Your Mortgage. I'm also a licensed loan originator, and I was an originator before becoming a client as well. I just wanted to say that in 2016, my wife and I, we were very skeptical of the program. I had never heard of anything like this or using a first lien HELOC to pay off an entire mortgage as well as other debt. In the history of all my education with loan origination, through NMLS training, through continuing education, through seminars and all that stuff, never heard of it. So I was very skeptical, but after going through the resources and having a conversation with Michael and some of the consultants here at Replace Your Mortgage, I looked at the math and it just made a lot of sense. And I'm a numbers guy, so I stuck to the math and I gave them a shot, and I took a leap of faith in 2016, jumped on board. And I'm happy to say that I'm a very, very proud customer of Replace Your Mortgage. We have since paid off over $100,000 in student loan debt. We've paid off 2 automobiles, done a $30,000 addition to our home that's added 2 bedrooms and a bathroom, and we've paid that off since, adding value to our home and things like that. So we are now down to just our first lien HELOC. We are currently on pace to pay that off in less than 4 years. So that's super exciting. And then we're gonna jump into the wealth accumulation side of the education that we get here. So we're gonna start growing real estate, and we're gonna start growing vacation rentals and things like that. That's the hope. So we are very excited, very proud clients of Replace Your Mortgage. And I just wanna say, if anybody is on the fence right now, I just suggest that you pay attention to the math. If the math makes sense, give Replace Your Mortgage a shot. Here's the deal. They will not bring you on as a client unless the math makes sense. Many of the people that call in to become a client like I am, they tell them no. It doesn't make sense for everybody, and they're very upfront about that. But if it makes sense for you, like it did me and my wife Cassie, it makes sense. And so I would just suggest you take the leap of faith, you give it the opportunity, because it has totally changed our life, changed our financial situation for the better. And we are very, very proud to say that we are on our way to becoming financially free and excited about the future and what Replace Your Mortgage holds for our future.